my head.
Yeah, and my head too, which has a boo-boo on it.